Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Ray. Thank you for joining me. Listen, let's continue on the Super Duty F150 LED project, I will call it. All right. You've been following my channel, you know F150 LEDs reached out to me and we pretty much teamed up. They supplied some parts for my evaluation, plus to install onto my truck. All right. And I must admit, guys, I'm not gonna lie, I'm speaking biased, right? I'm gonna tell you right off the bat, all right? When I first got my Super Duty, I think that was the first thing mod I ever did. I did the license plate. Then from there, I did the rear reverse lights, all from F150 LED, before they even consider reaching out to me. So I was a believer in their product. I like their packaging. The first time I ever received a product from them. So I'm gonna tell you the truth, I am biased. Well, I believe they provide a nice quality product, period. You know, I'm not gonna beat around the bush. I really like their packaging, I like their product. I like how simplistic it is to install. So if you have a F150, 250, 350, even 450, and you just wanna do some minor upgrades, some improvements, especially in the lighting, you can't go wrong. You really can't. F150 LEDs is a good company with some good products, and this is really, you get what you paid for, all right? They buy a good quality product, a price that I think is reasonable. Some may say maybe a little expensive, but again, you buy cheap stuff or you buy quality stuff. I like buying quality stuff, so that's just how it is. So enough of me talking, let me get off my soapbox, all right? We're gonna continue this playlist, all right? Check out the playlist. I mean, there's a whole bunch of products I put on my truck from F150 LEDs. And I'm pretty sure if you're considering one of those products, I probably have it on that playlist. Look at my installation video and, you know, hopefully help you with your decision making, put it that way, all right? So what we're gonna do now, we're just simply gonna tackle the rear lights. Now, I had the XLT model, and as you know, the XLT do not come equipped with halogen lights. They don't. Oh, actually not halogen, LED lights, all right? And that sucked, right? But I knew that when buying the truck because I knew I was gonna upgrade anyway. And I think it's much cheaper to do it with the upgrade, save on that, I guess, premium price I had to pay for the truck and just do it myself. Plus it's more fun. So what we're gonna do now, we're just gonna simply do the rear tail lights, all right? They sent me 2 boxes. I got one for top, one for bottom. And this is gonna be a quick install, all right? It's really not that complicated. I do have the turning signal kit also that I have to install. But right now, we're just gonna be doing the top and bottom brake lights. I believe this is for rear blinkers or running, yeah, brake lights, okay? So stay with me. Please consider like, subscribe. All the parts that I'm installing in my truck will be a detailed list below in the description. Click those links, they'll take you straight to the parts. And that's pretty much it. Okay guys, before we start, all right, again, these are 2 LED bulbs I'm gonna be putting in, and as you can see here, one is for the top and one is for the bottom, okay? And I'm putting mine into a Super Duty 2020, so up here, as you can see, they indicate what truck this fits. So let's, I just wanna do a quick opening so you see how it looks. Very nice. Very nice. All right. So very nice bulbs, and check this out, guys. Look at those are LEDs all in there, plus on the side. Now, if this is not going to be bright, I don't know what is. Right? These are very nice. All right. So I just want to give you a close look, and they're all the same. So I'm just gonna put this to the side. I just want to give it a little eye candy shot of exactly how they look. Got the little stamp on it, F150 LEDs. So I'm gonna install these on the passenger side now, and I'm not gonna show the driver's side because it's the same exact thing. So it's really straightforward, all right? But those who are not familiar with this procedure or process, I'll show you how it's done. And then we'll look at it, the before and after, all right? So stay with me. Again, consider like, subscribe, and let's just keep it moving. Okay, we're gonna remove this now. To just remove this tail light is very easy, all right? You got 2 screws, one here and one here. All right, all you do is gonna remove it. And I'm using, what am I using? I'm using a 5/16 socket. Once that's out, all you're gonna do is just go to the right of it, but get your hand on it and push towards you, all right? Or pull toward you, I should say. And that's it, and it's out, okay? Now, you don't need to take the whole thing off. All you need to do is reach in, and let me see if I can position the camera and show you what you need to do. We're dealing with the top, so it's pretty much right here. My hand is right there. Oh, I bet you can come around this way. All right, at the bottom, top. Those are 2 locations we're dealing with right now. So let me just put this camera back to the side so I can take it out. Okay guys, what we're gonna do now, I'm just gonna take it right from here. You know what? I feel like this wire is stretching. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna disconnect the connector. Let's just do that right, so I don't have no problems. There you go. All right, just press down, disconnect. Just gonna do it that way because I didn't like how I was stretching that wire. And you're gonna remove this, all right? All right, so I have it out. So what I'm gonna do now, all you're gonna do is just remove this top bulb by pulling it out, set it to the side, and grab one of your top bulbs here. Now avoid try to touch in the LEDs or the front, okay? And you're pretty much gonna just slip this right in. Now, before you seal it up, we're gonna test it, all right? Because if it doesn't come on, you're gonna have to take it out and just reverse the polarity, all right, for it to work. So, and that's it. That's a simple mod. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go back over here to the housing and plug it back in. Now, I'm gonna plug it in first to make sure it works. Then I'm gonna disconnect it and then place it back in the housing and seal it up. So stand by, let me just get that done. Okay guys, as you can see, got it in. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna click my my clicker to see will it come on. There you go, and it works. All right, and I'm gonna tell you the truth, guys.
It's goddamn bright out here.
It's very bright and sunny out here, and just looking at this, it is bright. All right, and the sun is high right now, and this thing is still really, really bright. So I don't think the camera is doing it justice in trying to pick it up. So definitely at night, tonight, I'm gonna come back and show you guys this, but this is definitely brighter than OEM, I should say. It does work, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna disconnect it so I can twist it in its proper location and then reconnect it. Okay, all right, that one's in. Now we're gonna do the bottom. And the same thing. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just disconnect it. All right, take it, turn it counterclockwise, and it'll come right out. All right, and come back and put the other one in. Okay, and these are the bottom. Now, if you couldn't tell, the bottom one doesn't have that little, I guess, glass in front of it. This one is the top one on my left hand. The right is the bottom. So if you get you can't really get it mixed up. All right, bottom, top. And again, I'm just gonna slip them in. Try to avoid touching the LEDs itself. I'm gonna plug this in, and then I'm gonna turn the lights on to make sure it works before I screw it back in. There you go. Okay, these are some bright lights. Very nice, very nice. All right, so I'm just gonna disconnect this real quick and reattach. And forgive me, I got a bird right over my head. Really, guys? You see me recording? You wanna sing? All right, and that's it. So now I'm just gonna reinstall these. And that's it. Okay, and that's it. And I'm just gonna reinstall these, put the screws back in, and everything works. Guys, you can't really tell how bright this thing right now. I don't know with the camera, but I can tell you right now, it's apple and oranges, right? Can't believe how bright these things are. So this is definitely an upgrade you guys should consider if you do not have LEDs in your vehicle. Let me see, I get a little closer. Again, what I'll do, guys, when nightfall comes, we'll come out here, reshoot this and let you see it. All right. Matter of fact, I won't change that one. I'll keep that one in, leave this one in, and we'll come back and record. Actually, let's show it to you right now. All right, how about that? So let me see if I can help you out. Okay, guys, I'm gonna show you the difference in the light. This one here, which one is brighter? All right, this is not graded. This is gonna be raw right out of the camera. And I'm pretty sure you can tell that this side here is much brighter than that side. All right, that's the LEDs. Guys, this is the first mod you should be doing if you have the stock bulbs inside your Super Duty. All right, I'm telling you, it is night and day. Can't believe I waited this long to get this upgrade. All right, so just want to show that to you. Guys, I showed you how to install it, very easy mod. Consider picking it up. You won't be disappointed. All right, talk to you later.